how would you typically measure the impact of AI tools on developer experience and engineering experience? And any specific metrics that you'd like to talk about that you recommend C-suite leaders watching this track uh, to demonstrate a clear return on investment when they're using these AI-driven initiatives?
Yeah, see, for me, I think very specifically, I would like to center it around four key things, especially when you are a developer focused, right? One is your context-aware code generation. It's very important to understand the entire code-based context for intelligent suggestions. Then you are looking at predictive debugging in your automated documentation, and can also be around how you are intelligently refactoring the applications purely from the developer side of the house. But then the way I look at it is the DORA related metrics, the whole mean time to deploy and all that stuff. But I would like to have a combination of both DORA and SPACE metrics, which kind of comes in. So the key still remains the same. One is your velocity metrics, because you're kind of like pumping out more number of stories, which is getting completed per sprint. So which kind of talks about your deployment frequency. Then the second most important thing, according to me, is the quality metrics, because you want to understand what's your defect escape rate, how much code coverage is getting done through the AI related aspects of it. And the key thing is security and the data related compliance activities. Then the other thing is the experience. People always talk about developer experience, but it's like usually it's the overall team's experience. You're not only looking at the core developers, it can be your product owners, it can be your business analysts who are sitting there. What is their satisfaction scores, right? And the other key thing is what's the time to productivity for your new hires, because the new hires whom we are seeing in
Yeah,
the market right now are already AI trained. They are actually more vibe coded than anyone else. That's how I look at it. And
absolutely.
then the fourth important for the CIO is all about the business impact, which we spoke about earlier, right? Like time to market, your feature delivery speed, and the customer satisfaction. So velocity metrics, the quality metrics, the experience metrics, and the business impact. So those four becomes imperative.